If you're short on time and craving a delicious snack, here's a quick tip for making freeze-dried bonbons in just 15 minutes. First, gather your favorite fresh fruits like strawberries, blueberries, or mangoes. Slice them into bite-sized pieces. Meanwhile, preheat your freeze dryer, a handy appliance for quickly dehydrating food while retaining its nutrients and flavors. Place the fruit slices evenly on the freeze dryer's trays, making sure they are not overlapping. Set the machine to its fastest cycle, which typically takes around 15 minutes for small portions. Once the cycle is complete, your freeze-dried bonbons are ready. These tasty treats are perfect for a quick snack, packed with flavor and nutrients. Store them in an airtight container to maintain their crispiness. Enjoy your homemade freeze-dried bonbons anytime you need a healthy sweet treat on the go.